So hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Soji Gray and welcome back to the Device Hub. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon as well so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. So on the 9th of October, that was last week Friday, Tecno invited Rick Aqua and I to the launch of the Camon 16. So this was like a flagship launch, looking at how everything went. It was hosted at the Movenpick Hotel. It was a very big event, and I have some thoughts about this whole event, but I do think that Tecno is really taking the Ghanaian market seriously with the kind of devices they are launching these days, the kind of ecosystem they want to establish, and all their strategy. I think I like that, and that is a good thing for the customers or the consumers. So basically, I'm just going to be showing you the highlights of this launch, and I was very interested in the ecosystem Tecno is really coming up with. So they had a line of different audio accessories. They had like a one-ear audio device that you could just put in one ear. They had like two different earbud designs. One was black, I think one was white. And they had this over-the-ear headphone that looked like a Sony headphone, but this was like very plasticky. But all the same, I really love that you're putting in a lot of effort into, designing accessories, not only smartphones. So that's a good thing. And I mean, the Camon 16 really looks nice. I like the design. I like the finish, and it looks great. Also, Stonebwoy is the new brand ambassador for Tecno, so he was unveiled at the event. He came on stage to share some of his hits with the crowd, and people enjoyed it. I think people enjoy themselves, but for me, I was much more excited about the device and Tecno's line of accessories. I'm curious to know how much they're going to cost, but I do think it's a step in the right direction. And so, yeah, let me know what you think about the Camon 16 in the comments section below. It's your boy Soji Gray, and I'll catch you in another one. Peace out.